Meaning of hyperbola.
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 Hyperbola. A hyperbola is a type of curve that is formed when a plane intersects a double cone in a specific way. It consists of two separate branches that form a symmetrical shape around the center point known as the origin. The defining feature of a hyperbola is that the difference between the distances to two fixed points, known as foci, is constant for any point on the curve. This feature has important applications in mathematics and physics, including in the study of celestial mechanics, electromagnetic fields, and optics.